ProdOps B by Ikyam, and SAP-qualified partner package solution designed for the manufacturing industry. Built on the intelligent enterprise platform, ProdOps leverages the power of Grow with SAP S/4HANA Cloud Public Edition to transform your manufacturing operations. ProdOps simplifies the management of complex manufacturing processes with innovative features like Gate Inward, Outward, and Asset EMI Management, alongside the core ERP. These innovations are powered by SAP Business Technology Platform, providing advanced capabilities for integration, data management, and analytics. Let's explore how these innovations drive efficiency and intelligence in your operations. Gate Inward, Outward optimizes and streamlines inventory and material movement. Integrated with SAP S/4HANA Cloud Public Edition, it ensures efficient control over entry, exit, and inventory processes. Experience enhanced security, real-time tracking, and compliance with global standards. Asset EMI Management optimizes the performance, usage, and maintenance of equipment in your manufacturing facilities. With performance tracking, automated maintenance, and lifecycle management, it ensures cost efficiency and safety compliance. ProdOps is available in 3 tailored packages to suit your business needs. Each package ensures flexibility, scalability, and seamless integration with SAP S/4HANA Cloud Public Edition. Grow with SAP S/4HANA Cloud Public Edition, the essential core of SAP-qualified partner package solutions, empowers businesses to achieve operational excellence. From ERP functionalities to advanced analytics and AI capabilities, experience streamlined processes, accelerated decision-making, and continuous innovation. For your convenience, we provide comprehensive manuals for Miro uploads and billing document processing, ensuring you have all the tools you need for smooth operations. ProdOps delivers unparalleled efficiency and intelligence to manufacturing operations. Integrated with Grow with SAP S/4HANA Cloud Public Edition, it enhances operational efficiency and reliability, transforming complex processes into streamlined workflows. Join the transformation with ProdOps by Ikyam Solutions. Visit www.ikyam.com or contact us at 812-333-22485 for more information.